Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be sharing few makeup and beauty empties I have collected throughout past few months. And here are these empties. So I have a bucket full of empties and I'll be sharing my views on each of these, whether I'll be rebuying them or not, or what I felt about them in general. So without wasting much time, I have a lot to go through, so I'll just start this video. So the first thing I have is this face wash, and it's from Biore. It's their charcoal face wash and I really love this. I mean, this didn't irritated my skin. It's cleaning well. It's taking off all my makeup which is like remaining after makeup wipes. So I really love it, and my skin feels really soft and fresh after washing it with this face wash, and I didn't experience any breakouts or anything after using this. So this is really good if you want to buy. I bought this in a pack of 2 from Sam's Club, but you can always get it at Walmart or any other grocery store. So this is amazing. The next I went through is this shampoo and conditioner from Soft. I purchased it because of YouTube. A lot of people talk about this brand, but honestly this brand like it dried out my hair, and my hair were like looking horrible. I had a lot of hair fall after using this. I don't think I'll be repurchasing this. I somehow managed to get through it because I purchased it, so I wanted to use it and not waste it. So that was the only reason I went through the whole bottle of shampoo and conditioner. But overall I didn't feel like it gave my hair any benefit. It just made them more dry and brittle. Next, I used up my Olay body wash, and I really love Olay body wash because they are really hydrating for your skin, and you don't feel that stretch on your skin after, like, you know, taking bath. So they are really hydrating, and you get these in a pack of 3 at Sam's Club or Costco. So I bought it from there. You can always get it at Walmart too. And the scent I got is Energize Lime. I really love the scent on these. They are really fresh. They make you feel fresh and energetic. So that's that. It's really good if you want to buy it, and it's really hydrating too. So the next thing I used up is these masks from Appeal, and I got them from Big Lots. So that's where pretty much you can get these. I haven't seen these anywhere else. So I really love it. I really love how like supple and soft my skin feels right after applying this mask. And these masks comes like in set of 4. So this box has 4 masks, and each mask is really saturated with product. So when I apply it on my face afterward, I squeeze out the product and rub it on my arms too, and that way I have like good spa treatment. So I really recommend these. They have variants, but I like these like vitamin E and collagen ones more. Then I finished these makeup wipes, and these are from Neutrogena. These are really good. They can take off your waterproof mascara and every last bit of your makeup. So these are really amazing. You can get it from any store wherever makeup is sold. It's there. I like to get mine from Sam's Club because there you get it in a set of 5 and you get it for really cheap. So that's that. I'll keep on using these. I really love these. So the next thing I have is this root cover up from L'Oreal. I really like it. I have a review on it. I'll link that video in the description box. I really like it. The only thing was it used to make my hair a little bit like matte. My hair were not looking glossy. It made them little bit matte. You can clearly see there is some product applied to your hair. So that was my only gripe about this product. Otherwise it performed beautifully. I mean, it really helped me in between my salon visits. So that's that. And I will repurchase this, or like I will try out different variants to see like what I feel about them. Then I used up a moisturizer from Olay. I really love Olay products. I mean, they are really good for your skin, and these are like really affordable too. So I used up this daily moisturizer. This was my daytime moisturizer, and I can't say that I saw some drastic results, but it was really good and moisturizing. And then I did Olay moisturizing cream too. You get it at Sam's Club or Costco for a set of 2. and I used it day and night just to moisturize my skin after doing my serum. So I really liked it. It was not like too oily or greasy for my oily skin, so I really like it. Then I used up this Pantene conditioner in the foam format, and I got it as a sample. I don't remember from where, but it was okay. I really love the convenience of getting a conditioner in a foam format and smoothing it out all over my hair. But it wasn't that nourishing or moisturizing for my hair, but I really loved the concept, the foam concept, because it was really like easily spreadable. So I like the concept. It's just that this conditioner didn't do much to my hair. It didn't like condition my hair properly. Then I finished up with this cream. I got it as a gift when I visited India from my sister-in-law, and this was good. I mean, it's really moisturizing. It had a lot of like herbal things in it, but I don't know, I couldn't make up my mind whether this thing did anything good for my skin, because there was a lot of things going on at that time, and I was not able to like confirm whether the results was like because of this or something else. But I really like it. I really love using herbal things for my skin, because I know I'm not putting on chemicals or anything like that. So that's how the cream looks like, and I finished up the entire jar. Then I finished up with this hair spray. I don't use hair product sprays or gels that much on my hair, so I always get a travel size one, and it lasts me for good 4-5 months. So that's that. I finished up with this, and it was okay. It was good. It wasn't drying my hair too much. And then I finished up with this cream. I think I got it in one of my subscription boxes. I really love it. Like, it's one of those products which you put on your hair after washing them and let your hair air dry, and they dry beautiful and frizz free. So that's what this product is all about. It had beautiful fragrance to it, and I really love how my hair dried after using this. So then I have this Victoria's Secret mist. I really loved it. I have used it. There is some left, but I was not willing to use it because I'm quite bored of it. I know how long these things last, and I mean, even if you use them daily, they last you for a long time, and eventually you get bored of them. So that's what. It was good, but not my favorite, so I'm getting rid of it. Then I had this perfume. I think it's Bombshell. No, it's Intense. So it's from Victoria's Secret, and I really loved it. Everybody complimented me every time I wore this perfume. So I want to get it again, but again I have a lot of perfume sitting in my closet. I want to get rid of them first, then maybe I can decide on repurchasing this. But if you want to buy some perfume from Victoria's Secret, you can get Intense. It's really amazing fragrance. So here is my bottle. And here is the perfume from Lancome. I got this as a gift when I visited India from one of our family friends, and the fragrance was amazing. I started using it while I was in India, and I really loved it. And here is the empty bottle. I mean, if you want to get it, it's like okay perfume for me. It's not like amazing, and I got a lot of compliments, but yeah, it's a good one, and it's long lasting too. Then I finished up my gel top coat for Sinful Colors, and it was really amazing for the price you get it for. I mean, my manicure lasted easily for a week after applying this on top. So you can get it easily at Walmart, Target, anywhere Sinful Colors nail paint is sold, and it's amazing. And then I'm getting rid of this foundation. This is Cushion foundation. I have reviewed it. It's amazing on your skin. Like, it looks so lovely, so natural, and it makes your skin glow and more brighter. But the only problem I had with this was I was using it daily ever since I started working, and I saw a lot of breakout on my skin. So I think there is something inside this which is not suiting my skin. So I have to get rid of this. So like, if you don't have any problem, any breakouts after using this, you can continue using this. This is amazing. But for my sensitive skin, it didn't work. But I love the formula and everything, and I have a full review on that. I'll put it in the description box below. Then I'm getting rid of this eyeliner. I got it in one of my subscription box and it's like dried out, not any useful, or like, you know, it's expired I think, so I'm getting rid of this. So it was like teal color, really beautiful teal color. You can see it has like a pencil on one side and the liner on the other, felt tip liner. But the thing is every time I apply it on my eyes, it smudges everywhere, so it's of no use to me. And then I'm getting rid of this crayon. It's from Sephora. It was really beautiful to put in your lower lash line, but it's like finished, so I have to get rid of this. Then I have this eyeshadow primer. It was amazing. I had like this for a long time now and I have been using this like every day whenever I was wearing my eyeshadows, but it has like it has grown old and it's like empty too, almost empty. I'll not say it's completely empty. You can see everything is rubbed off. That's how much I used it. I have a lot of other eye primers. I wanted to use them, so I'm getting rid of this because it's old and I want to use my other primers too, so that's that. Then I used up this lip balm and this was really amazing, and I brought this along with me when I was in India, and my lips tend to dry really fast and they start to flake, so this thing really helped me. It's amazing. Like, I love Nivea lip balms. They are really hydrating for your lips and they don't like have any chemicals or anything like that, so I really love this. And this was the lip balm which was sent to me. I really enjoyed using it. It's Lip Goddess 24 karat gold lip balm, and it had like 24 karat gold flakes infused in this lip balm. I really enjoyed this. I have used it completely. I mean, it was one of those treatments which I used to do when my lips were like really in bad shape. You can see I have used it all. I mean, it was amazing. I can't like tell you, it really made a difference in my lips. Like, it really helped my lips when they were in like the baddest state, so I really like it. And I might think on purchasing this one because I more like it as a treatment for my lips, and I put it on at night time, and in morning my lips are really smooth. So the next thing I went through is my lip gloss, and it's Buxom lip gloss. It's lip plumping lip gloss. You can see through the tube. I mean, I don't know how well my camera is picking it up, but I can see through the tube. It's all finished. And guys, I'm so proud of it. This is my first lippy which got like empty. I used up all of it. It's my favorite. It was always in my bag, and I always, whenever I used to reapply my lip, I always used to use this, because not only this was lip plumping, this was moisturizing too. So if you feel your lips are cracking up or they are dry, you can put this thing on and your lips felt like immediately moisturized and plumped, and I really love the feel of it. It also freshened the breath, so I really love it, and I'm gonna get a lot of them. Like, I'm planning to get them in all the shades because this is what I enjoyed the most, and it's like empty now. So it's from Buxom, and the shade I got is Berry Blast. Next thing I have is this photo finish primer from Smashbox. I really loved it, but it's quite old and I think I missed it somewhere in my makeup collection, and when I found it, I thought that it's like been sitting there for too long and maybe it's expired, so that's the reason I'm getting rid of it. Nothing else. I love it. It's really oil free and helps with my oily skin too. And the last thing I have is this sample from Shiseido, and it's like some anti-wrinkle cream, and honestly I used it but I didn't feel any difference in my skin when I was using this, and this thing had a shimmer and scent in it. So I hate when beauty products have like ingredients like shimmer or like scent in it, because that irritates my skin. So I don't like it. I mean, it was a sample. I don't mind like giving it a shot, but it's not something which I will purchase. So guys, those were my empties, and I tried to go through them really quickly because I didn't want it to waste much of your time. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have a whole playlist of empties. I'll put the link to that playlist in the description box so that you can go through them and you can see what products I use and what products are like permanent feature in my empties videos. That way you'll get an idea of what I'm loving and what I'm not loving. So those were my empties and my mini reviews on my empties. I love to do these videos because there are a lot of products you use. You can't make dedicated video on each of those products, but in empties video you can kind of give a like overview of a product, and if somebody is interested they can let you know and you can make an entire video on it. So that's what my thought process is about these empties videos. That's why I do empties videos, and I hope you enjoyed watching my empties and my views on the products. If you feel there is any specific product here on which you want a dedicated review, you can put the name and description in the comment box below. I'll be happy to do a video. And that was all for this video guys. I'll catch you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.